Hi, Zach Pater here, River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport of Red Wing. What a beautiful boat to take you through today. This here is one of our very last 2018 models we have in stock. It is a 218SS, absolutely gorgeous boat. That Pacific blue bottom, nice bright solid white sides with that Pacific blue deck shear, a gorgeous looking package. Few things before we jump inside the boat you might notice on this. It's got the stainless steel package, giving you the stainless steel bow scuff plate, stainless steel docking lights, beautiful stainless rub rail. A few other neat features. Look at that big, beautiful, solid grab handle there. They do a great job. Monterey's definitely fit and finish is top notch. Do a beautiful job with that black framed windshield, the pop-out cleats, their beautiful SS badging in the side of the boat. Nice Monterey logo across the back, just a beautiful boat. Let's jump inside and look at it a little closer. So we're gonna jump inside, give you a full walkthrough tour of this boat, but first let's start right back here at the swim platform. This is a solid single molded piece, part of the hull, part of the deck, and it is big, it's wide, very squared off. See, they do a nice job with the swim ladder, putting it here on the starboard side, right in line with the driver. So if there's a swimmer, a skier in the water, he's not losing sight of that person, getting them to the back of the ladder. You also see it's got a nice concealed locker that it goes in that's fully drainable. Monterey's great when it comes to their fit finish quality and their products overall, but you look at that lid, it's a nice solid fiberglass lid with all stainless components, just very, very well done, and really shows that quality Monterey puts into the boats. While we're on the swim platform, you'll notice there's a removable ski tow pylon. Great feature, gets that ski rope or tube rope a little further out of the water. You also notice you got your transom stereo remote, and take a look at this transom locker. It's nice, it's big, it's heavy duty. The fit and finish is great, stainless support, all gasketed, very well done, and just a great spot for storing those items you need every day. I think it's also important to note the swim up cooler in the back, or you can use it as drainable storage. Again, just really putting that thought into the boat. We haven't even got into the boat, we're still on the swim platform. So Monterey does a beautiful job with this big aft sun pad, but I think it's important to note how they incorporate the flip up backrest right into that cushion. Absolutely a beautiful feature. Gives you that place to kind of sit back, put your skis on, put your wakeboard on, or just sit back and watch the sunset. Work our way inside the boat. You can tell the SS, this 218, is big, it's wide, and it's open. And I love the way they do the flip back seat. You can lay it down to be a complete lounger, or flip it backwards and you got forward facing seating. One thing nice with the Montereys, again, fit, finish, and attention to detail. You look at these seats, you look at the piping, you look at the contrast and stitching, you look at everything that goes into it. They do a great job, and they keep that motion of the lines and the theory behind the patterning all the way through the entire boat. Beautiful helm seat here with a flip-up bolster, very, very well done. Notice right back here on the cowling, you got nice speakers that are set back, grab rails, and stainless cup holders that are tucked underneath so they're out of the wind. Work our way up here by the dash. You'll see the shifter, nice padded combing there. You've got a stainless cup holder tucked underneath, a dash right out of a sports car. It's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful gauges, that eyebrow over the top, the upholstery patterning, the stitching is absolutely gorgeous. They match that here in front of the passenger seat. You have the stereo head unit, again, nice grab handle, storage tucked underneath, stainless cup holder, glove box, but again, that beautiful stitching and that beautiful upholstery there over the top. Very, very nicely done. Take a walk forward and look at the bow of the boat. Probably one of the most impressive areas on a Monterey is their open bow layout. It's very big, it's very wide, and it's very deep, and it's fully finished. Again, we go back to the patterning, the way they set the speakers back underneath, just the extra time it takes to do that kind of stuff. The grab handles, the stainless cup holders, again, that nice, beautiful stainless grab rail, something you just don't see on a lot of boats. Again, the patterning on the backrest just very well done. I think another noteworthy item in the front of this boat is the way they incorporate that ladder. And it's a nice solid, again, fiberglass lid with stainless components, heavy duty, 4-rung stainless steel ladder with a grab bar, also doubles as your anchor storage, but well thought out, well designed. Storage is plentiful in the 218. I loved how they did the flip up backrest to give you a nice storage on both sides of the boat. There's also seating under all the bow seats. Commonly, I wouldn't focus on something like the in-floor ski locker, but with Monterey, it is phenomenal. It's drainable, it's channeled, held up by a stainless strut, full fiberglass lid with stainless components. It's a heavy-duty piece of this boat, and the inside's fully lined. Also kind of neat, it hosts the dual batteries down there, which is very, very well done. But a nice, big center locker in this boat. Another little noteworthy spot is where they put the cooler. Very well done, easy to take in, take out, pack it, bring it onto the boat and have a place to put it. It also hosts the battery switch right down there in the back as well. On the 218, another nice feature, I should have showed it earlier, but the ability to have this be a full walk-through transom. The way they just simply have the cushion slide in, slide out, gives you that perfect option for having the walk-through. Last but not least, I wanted to show you this motor compartment. This boat is powered by the 4.5 liter 250 horse MerCruiser Alpha Drive. Great power package, great combination of performance and efficiency. But look at the fit and finish inside this motor compartment. That lid is phenomenal, fully gasketed, all stainless hardware, stainless supports, full fiberglass piece, fully finished. The motor compartment itself, very well done, very organized. The bow block-off door is actually sitting right there to the right-hand side. But very crisp, very clean-looking motor compartment. Really shows that fit and finish and quality Monterey puts into their boats. Just does not stop. It continues on through the whole boat. Well, that there is a quick video walkthrough of this beautiful 2018 218SS. Hope you were able to enjoy the video. If you have any questions or would like more information, feel free to call or email at any time. Again, I'm Zach Pater here at River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport of Red Wing, and I appreciate you taking the time to view our video.